Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be teaching y'all how to make cake pops, and what you're gonna need is, so we already have ours made, but it's pretty much leftover cake and frosting, just pretty much mixed together. And then you're gonna need some sticks and some chocolate. So what we're gonna do next is we are going to make just little balls the best you can, and then just place them on here. Okay, now y'all can enjoy this time lapse of me making the rest of the balls. Okay, and what we want to do now is get a little bowl and put some chocolate melts on there. And I use the Wilton. I mean, there's a lot of other options, but that's just what I use. And then we're gonna go ahead and melt that. Right. So now that you have your chocolate melted, what you're going to do is get these sticks. You're gonna dip it in the chocolate, about like that right there. And then what you're gonna do, stick it in there. And once you're all done with all of them, put them in the fridge for 10-15 minutes and take them out. So now that these are out of the fridge, what you're gonna do is get a little bit more chocolate, and then you're gonna melt them in the microwave. Or you could always do it on the stove with a double boiler. That's just how you prefer it. I would go with, if you're doing more chocolate than this, then I would suggest the stove, just because it's easier, but we're just gonna go with the microwave this time. And then while you're doing it in the microwave, you want to do about 30-second intervals, just because you don't want the chocolate to maybe overheat, and it's because if you do that, it's gonna come out chunky. So you don't want that. So for the chocolate, you're going to want to have this kind of consistency, smooth. And if you're not getting that, just add a couple tablespoons, maybe 1 tablespoon of oil, and that should fix it. So, okay, so now we're gonna dip in. So you see how it got clumps like that? That means that our cake pops are a little bit cold, so we're gonna let it sit for a little bit. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and dip it in there. Try to get all of it covered up. And then we're gonna top it off with, this is just pretty much crunched up Oreos, and we're just gonna add that on top. Okay. And then just continue to do that until you're done. And by the way, if you want to use the Wilton chocolates, they do come in various colors, so that's a plus. I've used blue, green, pink, obviously red, they have orange, and many other colors, so check those out. So this is our final product, so let's give it a taste. So if you guys want more videos like this, please comment and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video.